Good morning, all of you. Today, let's discuss the questions in page number 3 and 4 under the heading Try This. And the first question is use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers. We have to use the given digits, and using those digits, we have to make a 4-digit number. We have to make a greatest small digit number, 4-digit number, and the smallest 4-digit number using these given digits without repetition. We should not repeat the digits. Okay, so let's discuss the first one, which is 2874. So here we are asked to find or asked to write a 4-digit number. We have to make a 4-digit number. 4-digit number means what? The number will be in thousands. Okay, thousand, hundred, tens, ones. 4 places will be there. Thousand, hundred, tens, ones. 4 places. So the number will be in thousands. You can say in this way, 4-digit number. So, in order to get the greatest number using these digits, the first number should be the greater number. That is, among these 2874, which is the greater number? 8. So, 8 will be in the thousands place. Okay. Now, which is the next greatest number? Which is the next greatest number? From here, you can see that the next number will be 8. After 8, 7. Okay. Now which is the next greatest number? It will be 4. And the last one will be 2. Okay. That means in order to get the greatest number, or in order to make the greatest 4-digit number using these 4 digits, you have to arrange them in descending order. That is 8, 7, 4, 2. Now 8742 will be the greatest number. Okay. Now let's see the smallest number. In order to get the smallest number, what you should do? In the thousands place, you should write the smallest number among this question. Which is the smallest number? It is 2. So 2 will be in thousands place. And which is the next smallest number? It is 4. So 4 will be the next number, and the next one is 7, and the next one is 8. Okay, in order to write the smallest number, the smallest number among these numbers will be in the thousands place. Then the next smaller number will be in the hundreds place, and the next smaller number will be in the tens place, and the greatest number will be in the ones place. In this way, you will find the smallest and the greatest number. Okay. Now let's see the next question, which is B, 9741. Here also let's write 1000, 100, tens, 1000, 100, tens, and ones place. Okay. So which is the greatest number among this? The greatest number is 9. So first you will write this 9 in the thousands place. And which is the next greater number among this? 7. So 7 you will write, and after 9 and 7, 4. So 4 you will write in tens place, and the next smaller number is 1. So 1 you will write here. Okay. So 9, 7, 4, 1 will be the greatest number. Okay, you will write in descending order. Then you will get the greatest number. Now let's see the smallest number. For the smallest number, what you will write first? The smallest number among this, which is that one, 1. So 1 you will write here, and the next smaller number is 4. So you will write 4, and the next smaller number is 7. So you will write 7, and the next number is 9. So 1, 4, 7, 9 will be the smallest number using these 4 digits. Smallest 4-digit number using this 4-digit. Okay. Now let's see the C, 4750. Let's write the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Now what you should do? Let's find the greatest number first. In order to find the greatest number, let's see the greatest number among these. Which is the greater one? 7. So 7 you will write first. Now after 7, which is the greatest number among these? It is 5. So 5 you will write here. And then next it is 4. So 4 you will write. And the last one is 0. Okay. So you can say 7, 5, 4, 0 will be the greatest number using these 4 digits. Okay. Now let's see the smallest number. In order to write the smallest number, first you should write the smallest number. But here there is a special case, that is, here there is 0. Actually 0 is smallest among these. But if you write 0 in thousands place and write the remaining digits here, then it will become a 3-digit number. It will not be a 4-digit number. Okay, actually when we are writing the smallest number here also, then you will get the number like 0 and next 4, then 5, then 7. But actually this is not a 4-digit number, it is a 3-digit number, because first digit is 0 here. So this will be a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. But we want a 4-digit number here. So in order to get a 4-digit number, first number should not be 0. Okay. So for that, instead of 0, what is the next smaller number among this? Other than 0, what is the next smaller number other than 0? Okay, we will see that. So we should not write 0 first. Instead, after 0, which is the smaller number here, it is 4. So you will write 4 first. And then you can write that 0. Okay, after writing 4, then you can write that 0. Now after 0 and 4, which is the smaller one? 5. So 5 you will write here. And then it is 7. Okay, so 4, 0, 5, 7 will be the smallest number using these 4 numbers. Okay. So in this way you have to write when 0 comes. Okay. Now let's see D. So first let's make the greatest number. So what is the greatest number among these? It is 7. And after 7, it is 6. After 6, it is 2. And after 2, it is 1. So you will get 7, 6, 2, 1 will be the greatest number. And which will be the smallest number? Among this, which is small? 1. So 1 you will write. And next it is 2. So 2 you will write here. And after that it is 6. So 6. After that it's 7. So 1, 2, 6, 7 will be the smallest number. Okay. Now let's see E. What is E? 5, 4, 0, 3. Let's make the greatest and smallest number. So which is the greatest number among these? You can see 5 is the greatest number. So you should write 5 first. Then next is 4. So you will write 4. And next greater number is 3. So you will write 3. And the next greater number is 0. So you will write 0. So you got 5, 4, 3, 0 will be the greatest 4-digit number using these 4 numbers. And now let's find the smaller one. Which is the smaller number among these? Actually it is 0, but we cannot write 0 first, because when we write 0 first, it will become a 3-digit number. So 0 should be written in the second place instead of first place. And in the first place, after 0, which is the smaller number, it is 3. So 3 you can write as the first digit. Okay, so 3, 0. Now after 3 and 0, what is next? It is 4. So 4 you can write here, and after 4 it is 5. So 3, 0, 4, 5 will be the smallest number using these 4 numbers. Okay. Now let's see the second question. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. So we have to make a 4-digit number, and the condition is that you can use any one digit twice. That is, any one digit can be used 2 times. Okay. So our first question is 3, 8, 7. So using 3, 8 and 7, you have to make a 4-digit number. A 4-digit number means what? How many places will be there? 4 places. Thousands, hundred, tens and ones. 4 places will be there. And you can use any number twice. Okay. So now first let's make the greatest number first. Greatest number. So first you need to identify the greatest number among these numbers. So you will see that the greatest number is 8. So let's write it in the thousands place. Now it said that you can use any one number, any one digit you can use twice. So let's use the same 8 itself twice. So let's put 8 in the hundreds place also. Now which is the next greatest number among these? It is 7. So let's put 7 in tens place, and the last number is 3. So it is used here. So the greatest number will be 8873. Okay. Now let's identify the smallest number. So in order to identify the smallest number, let's see which is the smallest number among these. So you can see it is 3. So let's write the number 3 first. Let's write the digit 3 first. And you can repeat the same number itself in the hundreds place also. That is 3. Now what is the next smallest number among these after 3? It is 7. So you can put this 7 here, and after 7 it is 8. So 8 is given here. So the smallest number will be 3378. Okay, so you identified the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number using these 3 digits. In this way you can write. Now let's see B. What is B? 905. Okay, so let's write the thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Okay. Now you can see that what is the biggest or the greatest number among these? It is 9. So let's write the 9 in thousands place, and let's repeat the same 9 itself in the hundreds place. Now after 9, which is the greatest number among these? It is 5. Okay, so let's write 5 here, and after 5 it is 0. So let's write 0. You got it? So the greatest number among this is 9950 will be the greatest number. Now let's identify the smallest number. So as I have already told, the smallest number among this is actually 0. But you cannot write 0 here. Why? Because if you write 0 here, it will become a 3-digit number instead of a 4-digit number. Okay, 0 cannot be put in front of any number. Okay. So what happens? Let's write any other number other than this 0. Let's put any other number other than this 0. So which is the next greatest number after this 0? Sorry, which is the next smallest number after this 0? It is 5. So let's put 5 in the thousands place first. Okay, now after 5 you can put that 0. Okay, and you can repeat the same 0 itself. If 0 is given among these digits and you are asked to find the smallest number in this way, then you have to repeat the 0 twice instead of any other number, because 0 is the smallest among these. So 0 can be repeated twice. So 500, after 5 and 0, which is smaller? 9. So you will get the smallest number as 5009 will be the smallest number. Got it? Now let's do C. So let's mark the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. Now The question is 0, 4, 9. So first let's identify the greatest number. It is 9. So let's write 9 and let's repeat the same in the hundreds place. Now the next one is 4. So let's write it. And the next one is 0. So let's write it. Okay. So 9, 9, 4, 0 will be the greatest number among this. Will be the greatest number using these 3 digits. Now let's identify the smallest number. As I have already told, 0 you cannot write it in the first place. So let's write the very next smallest number. What is that? It is 4. So let's write 4 first. After 4 you can write 0 and 0 can be repeated twice. Okay. Now the next number is 9. So 4009 will be the smallest number. Okay. Now let's see question number D. 8, 5 and 1. Let's mark the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So, which is the greatest number among these? It is 8. So let's mark 8 in the thousands place and let's repeat the same 8 in the hundreds place. Now after 8, which is the next greatest number? It is 5. So let's write 5 and after 5 it is 1. So you can say 8, 8, 5, 1 will be the greatest number. Okay, now let's identify the smallest number. What is the smallest number among these? It is 1. So let's write 1 here and let's repeat the same 1 itself in the hundreds place. After 1, which is the smallest number? It is 5. So let's write 5. After 5, it is 8. So you can say 1, 1, 5, 8 will be the smallest number. Got it? Okay. So this is the answers for question number 2. I hope all of you understood this. Now let's see the question number 3. Now let's discuss the third question, that is make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. So you are asked to make a 4-digit number and the condition is that every digit should be different. Okay, there should not be any same digits. Every digit should be different and some conditions will be given. Let's discuss the first question A. The condition is that digit 7 is always at the ones place. So the answer is already given. Let's discuss that. That is digit 7 is at the ones place. Ones place means what? You know that 4 digit means 4 places. That is thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Ones place you will have 7 as a fixed number and you have to make a greatest number and the smallest number. First let's make the greatest number. Okay, greatest number and this is the smallest number. So in order to make the greatest number, you know that the greatest, which is the greatest 1-digit number? It is 9. Okay, so 9 we can write it in the thousands place. Okay, now after 9, which is the greatest number? 8. So let's write 8 in the hundreds place. After 8, which is the next one? It is 7. But 7 it's already fixed in the ones place. So you cannot use 7. Okay, because in the condition it's already said that you cannot use the same digit. Every digit should be different. So let's write the next digit after 7, which is the greatest number? 6. Okay, so let's 6 here. So let's write 6 here. So the greatest number will be 9867. Okay, now let's see which is the smallest number. Okay, for writing the smallest number also 7 is fixed in the ones place. As in the question, it's already given 7 is always at ones place. Now let's write what will be in the thousands place. The smallest number is 0, but you cannot write 0. Why? If you write 0 here, it will become a 3-digit number instead of a 4-digit number. If you write 0 in the beginning of any number, it will become 3-digit instead of 4-digit. So let's write after 0, which is the next smaller number. It is 1. So let's write 1 here. Now after 1, you can write 0. Then no problem. Okay. Now after 0 and 1, what is next? It is 2. So you can write 2 here. Okay, and the next number 7, it's already given. So 1027 will be the smallest number using this 7 at the ones place. Okay, in this manner you have to write the next question. Let's see the next question. That is, the next question is B. Digit 4 is always at tens place. Okay, digit 4 is always at tens place. Let's mark the places: 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now digit 4 is at the tens place means 4 is already fixed there. Okay, now let's find the smallest and the greatest number. Let's find the greatest number first. So as in the previous case, which is the greatest number, 9, so it can be written in the thousands place. After 9, which is next, it is 8, so 8 can be written here. After 8, which is next, it is 7, but here in the tens place 4 is already fixed, so let's write 7 in the ones place. So you will get the answer as 9847 as the greatest number. Now let's see the smallest number. So you cannot begin with 0. So let's write the next smallest number, which is 1. And after 1 you can write 0. Okay. Now after 0 and 1, what is next? It is 2. But you cannot write 2 here because 4 is already fixed here. So let's write 2 in the ones place. Okay. So you will get the answer as 1042 as the smallest number. Understand? Now let's see C. First, let's see the greatest number. Okay. Here in the question, it's already given that digit 9 is always at hundreds place. Hundreds place means what? Here. Digit 9 is fixed in the hundreds place. Now you have to write the greatest number. So the greatest number is actually 9. But you cannot write it in thousands place because it's already fixed in the hundreds place. So let's write the next greatest number, which is 8. So 8 you can write here. Okay. Now after 8, which is the next one? 7. So 7 you can write in the tens place. And after 7, which is next, it is 6. So you can write it here. So 8976 will be the greatest number. Now let's see the smallest number. As I have already told, you cannot begin with 0. So let's write 1 first. Now after 1, it's actually 0 which is to be written, but it's already 9 is already fixed here. So let's write 0 here. Okay. Now after 1 and 0, what is next? 2. So you got the smallest number as 1902. 1902 will be the smallest number. Okay. Now let's see D. D, here it's given that digit 1 is always at thousands place. In the thousands place we have fixed the digit 1. Okay, and you need to find the greatest and the smallest number. First let's find the greatest number. So if you are asked to find the greatest number, usually you will write 9 in the thousands place, but in the thousands place the number 1 is already fixed. So let's write 9 in the hundreds place. Okay, now after 9, what is next? It is 8. After 8, it is 7. So you will get 1987 as the greatest number. Okay, now let's see the smallest number. Smallest number, 1 is already fixed in the ones place. So usually you will write 0 next. After 1 and 0, what is next? 2. After 2, it is 3. Okay, so 1023 will be the smallest number. Got it? 1023 will be the smallest number. So in this way you have to write the greatest and the smallest number. If you're asked to find the greatest number, then you will write in the order 9, 8, 7, etc. Okay, and you have to consider the number which is fixed. Okay, and when you're asked to find the smallest number, you will be going in the order 102. Okay, you cannot write 0 first because it will become a 3-digit number. Only these things you have to keep in mind. Okay, now let's see the fourth question. Now our fourth question is, take two digits, say 2 and 3, make 4-digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. So in the question, the only digits that you can use is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 only you can use, and the condition is that if you are using 2 one time means what? You should use 2 3 also one time, that is equal number of times only you can see both the digits, you can use both the digits. If you are using 2 only one time means you should use 3 also one time. If you are using 2 two times means you should use 3 also 3 times. But in the question it's asked to make a 4-digit number. Okay, in the question you should make a 4-digit number, that means what? 4 places will be there. Okay, 4 places, 4-digit number, and the only numbers that you can use is 2 and 3, and one more condition, you should use both the digits equal number of time. And we can say that since you are asked to make a 4-digit number, you must use 2 and 3 two times, then only you will get a 4-digit number. If you are using 2 one time and 3 one time means what? You will get only a 2-digit number. So for getting a 4-digit number you must use 2 and 3 twice. Okay, so that is the first thing that you should understand. Okay, now the first question is, which is the greatest number, which is the smallest number, and how many different numbers can you make in all? So first let's see which is the greatest number. So in order to get the greatest number using 2 and 3, you must use 3 first. Okay, 3 must be used first, and it's clearly said that 3 must be used twice. Okay, so we can write 3 3, and after 3 only 2 is left, so 2 2. Okay, this will be the greatest number, 3 3 and 2 2. And in the question, or it's already said that it must be a 4-digit number, so this is a 4-digit number, and the next condition is that both the digits must be used equal number of times. So here 2 and 3 is used 2 times, equal number of times, so that is also satisfied. So this is the greatest number that you will make out of 2 and 3. Okay, this is the greatest number. Now let's see which is the smallest number. So here you can see that the smallest number among this 2 and 3, which is the smallest one, it is 2. Okay, so 2 2 and 3 3 will be the smallest number. Okay, 2 2 and 3 3 will be the smallest number among this. Understand? Now, how many different numbers can you make in all? In total, how many numbers you can make? Let's see that. Now, let's fix the numbers. Okay, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Let's fix the number 3 here. Okay. So the first number that we can make is, the greatest number is 33, 22. Okay. Now, when we put 3 here, you can again make 2, 3, 2. Here also 2 times 2 is used and 2 times 3 is used. Now the next number when we fix 3 here is 2, 2, 3. This is also another number. Now there are no more numbers which can be made out of this by fixing 3 in thousands place. So 3 numbers we have made. Now let's fix 2. 2 in the thousands place. Okay, then 2, 2, 3, 3 can be made. And the next number is 2, 3, 2, 2 can be made. 2, 2, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 3 can be made. Now after fixing 2, 2, 3, 3, 2 can be made. I hope there are no more numbers. Okay, so you can make 6 numbers. That is how you are making this. Let's fix a number in thousands place. I have fixed 3 in thousands place. Now you have to rearrange every numbers. Then you will get these 3 numbers. Now the next pattern is fix 2 in thousands place and you have to rearrange this. Then you will get these many numbers. That is 3322, 3232, 3223, 2233, 2323, 2332. These are the different numbers that you can make in all, and this will be the greatest number and this will be the smallest number. In this way you can write this. Okay, so I hope you understood all the 4 questions. So that's all. Thank you.